Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to make your Windows 10 and 11 with the dual boot of Kali Linux. So basically in this video, we are going to make our system to dual boot so that we can boot from Windows 10 as well as from Kali Linux and Windows 11. I'm using here the Windows 10 but steps will be same for Windows 11 as well. First of all, what you need to do is you need to disable your secure boot and for safer side backup your data, and also we need to shrink our volume. How to shrink our volume? Just we need to right click on the start menu, then click on disk management, and once you open that, I have already the D drive is free space, so you need to make sure you can right click on your C drive, then click on shrink and give at least 50 gigabyte to your Kali Linux operating system. I can give 58, but you can give 50. 50,000 is equal to almost 50 GB, and you can see you can create this unallocated space. Since I have already the unallocated space in my D drive, this volume, so I don't need to create this now. I'm choosing this as extended and I will choose my this drive. Now additionally you need to have at least 8 GB of the pen drive on your system. Just insert your USB. Now my USB is also connected. Now we need to download the Kali Linux ISO file and the reference. Just type for Kali Linux, go to first link, this official download link, and now click on download and choose the installer image. Just click on this option, and here is 86 or 64 bits. Just click on download now, and once you click on download now, it will take some time depending on your internet speed. Additionally, you can download the Rufus in order to create a bootable pen drive, and all the data from your pen drive will be deleted as well, so make sure you backup your data. Click on exe here, and once the Rufus and ISO file is both are downloaded on your system, since I have already downloaded the Kali Linux on my system, I'm going to close this browser and running the exe of this. Click on yes, and this is my Kali Linux. You can see here, and you can select yes option here. Now you need to select your ISO. Simply go to the location where you downloaded your ISO file. In my case it is in a E drive. Here is. Now click on open, and once you click on open, all the default location is selected, FAT32 and all the things there. Just leave everything as default and click on start. Write ISO image made, just click on OK. All the data will be deleted from your pen drive. Click on yes, again click on yes. Now we are going to create the bootable pen drive of Kali Linux. You can see your system information. We need to also disable the secure boot. In my case it is enabled, so I will also show how to disable it. Now bootable pen drive is ready. Now you need to close it. Now first of all we need to disable the secure boot on our Windows. Go to here, then recovery, restart, click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and UEFI firmware settings, and restart it. Now you need to press here the F10 key. Now once you go here, you need to go to security options here. Go for boot options, and under this option you need to select your secure boot, and we need to disable this. Press here F10 key to save the changes. Hit yes. We have disabled it. Now you can press a bootable your USB to top. As you can see here, this is on the top. Now you can see we have booted from the Kali Linux. Just select here the first option, graphic install, press enter. Select your language, then select your country. Keyboard language, I am selecting American. Connect with your internet now. Once you enter your password, it will exchange the key and will be connected to your Wi-Fi. If Wi-Fi is not working, you can use the Ethernet. Host name is Kali. Next. Domain name is not needed, just select continue. Full name of new user, let's type for Kali. Your account username is Kali. Choose the password. I'm selecting demo. Then next. Partition disk is most important part in this video. Select the first option here, guided use the largest continuous free space. Since we have made the free space from C drive, even I have the D drive, but in your case you need to select the same here. And now all the files in one partition recommended for a new user, select this option, then next. And now this is the all details of your partition. As you can see here, this is 63 GB. Finish partitioning and writing change to disk. You need to select this option. Select yes. Continue. Now these are the options you need to select here. Collection of tools selected. This item has no effect. And you can untick this option. Top 10 software popular default. 4 options I have selected here, but this is the most important. Desktop environment. Select next. An installation step fail. You can try to run a failing item again to this menu or skip. I was getting the error while selecting the four options. I selected just one option as you have seen there. So you can fix the issue as well, and later on we can add the program manually. Now you will see it is done successfully. You can simply click on continue. So now you can see, so you need to select here the options. The first option, you can remove your pen drive from your computer now and type here the username Kali, password is demo, and login. Now you can see we have successfully installed the Kali Linux, and also the Wi-Fi is connected. But if you want to use your Windows system, how to do that? Just restart it. Now choose your the option Windows boot, this option, and press enter. And once you choose this option, you can see here we are successfully able to boot from Windows as well. And you can see here the data is as it is on my Windows. Later on, if you want to remove your this Kali Linux partition, just you need to right click it and simply you can delete it. And if you are not able to delete it from here, use the command prompt and then you should able to delete it. And after that, normally you should directly able to boot from Windows. So I hope guys this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.